Hey traders, welcome to episode 445 of the show. Happy Thursday to you. Oh my god, I completely forgot. Completely forgot to market that on starting soon, but you know what's happening. Tonight, 11 Eastern, Jeopardy. Third episode of Jeopardy's coming on, and the stakes are just a little bit higher, where you can win 16,000. What was it? 16,180 Mitch Ray coins. Alright, that is the prize for the winner today, or tonight. So if you think you know technical analysis and cryptocurrency and memes within that culture, try your luck. Don't be late. Alright, just wanted to bring that up first before literally anything, even before Bitcoin. Alright, good luck everyone. So, Bitcoin, what's happening, man? Well, with the more data we get, the more, I guess it makes sense, right? You know, you thought you had an ascending triangle and broke out of it to the upside, but it was a false breakout. And now on the daily, we are showing a big bearish engulfing candle, which is bad. And it seems like if you just move and adjust the trend lines, it looked like a rising wedge of some sort, and now we're out of it. We've broken out of it. You can keep it as an ascending triangle if you want, or make it a wedge. It doesn't matter because the measured move is the same. It is the same. Really? Why mysterious? The pattern. If you were, right now we're working on a break, hook, and go confirmation, but we have not yet seen that. I mean, we have not yet finished this candle, this 4-hour candle. Hour 37 minutes left. And real quick, just education. What is the strongest form of confirmation on a breakout? It is the break, hook, and go. You don't know what that is. A break, hook, and go sequence of 3 to 4 candles, where the first candle breaks the support, right? 1, 2, and 3. We broke the support on the first candle. The next candle, we back tested the area that was once a support as resistance. Even the next candle, we did the same thing. And eventually what happens, you can do this 3, 4, 5 times, whatever, but eventually what you're looking for is a bearish engulfing candle, as we're seeing right now. If you bearishly engulf, that is a break, hook, and go confirmation of a breakout. All right, so that's increases your chances of being right on breakouts. Okay, this kind of stuff, what you're looking for. Write that down. If you don't know about it, hey, whatever. If you do know about it, hey, you know everything, but at one time you didn't. So hopefully someone got something out of that. A little education for you. Start it off. Why not? Measured move of the rising wedge is exactly 4,400. If we're to retrace, okay, that's it. That's like literally the same thing. Even if you left it as an ascending triangle, it'd have been the exact same measured move, 4,400. Okay. That looks like maybe just 2 upsloping converging trend lines turned out to be what it was. And either way, you're trying to confirm right now that you're being bearish with the break, hook, and go. All right. So go to the daily real quick. Oh, look at that, 382. All right, so let's get, all right, hey man, we got a little bit above the 618, but in the end, it turned out right there, man. The reversal in price action came at the top end of the area that we projected months ago when we were down here, where we would go. Here it is. So again, there's that big bearish engulfing candle I've been talking about that's in the thumbnail of the show. Cody, welcome. Thanks, man. So let's fib. All right, golden zone hit, golden retrace, golden pocket, whatever, all hit. So fibs are not really relevant, you know, since it seems like we've probably created ourselves a swing high here, but you just don't know. Probably though. So from your low to your high, we've not even yet hit that 236 in this situation. So guess what, man? Guess freaking what? From your December 15th low to this high, if you're to just make a common retrace, really, if you're to make a common retrace between 4,024 and 4,585, that is the golden zone for the retrace. Hey, you're 20 days bullishly crossing over your 200. Who cares? Lagging indicator. All right, not really helpful to us right now. Plus the 50-day moving average is way back at 4150. Good Lord. So us hitting 45.85 seems very likely, just because look where all your moving averages are. They're still way down here. I'm sure they'll catch up if you just keep chopping along, but hey man, bearish engulfing candle, potential rising wedge with a break and go confirmation going on in the 4 hour. See how it plays out, okay? But for now, you're currently sitting at 5,037, down about 5%, a little over, around $280. Okay, here's Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin Live. The stream was called Bearish Engulfing. Can't remember, something like that. Yeah, Bearish Engulfing. There it is. The topic of conversation for the stream has now been complete. We've done it, man. Oh my God. Okay. Anyway, thanks so much for everyone watching on YouTube, Twitch, Periscope, and DLive. DLive, y'all are amazing. You realize, I think we're at 146, 150 followers. I can become partner around at 200 followers. So if you don't know what DLive is, it's I guess decentralized type of exchange, or not exchange. Wow, I'm talking about a streaming platform, and so it's just a little bit cooler. You can, instead of the scrubby YouTube emojis, like the weird looking smiley faces, you can go over there and post like actual real GIFs in the chat, which is awesome. Something I've always wanted. So holy crap, Rob R is over on DLive. What's up, man? What's up, dude? Thanks to Omar. Welcome. Thanks for the ice cream, Mr. Pissed Yourself. Thank you, dude. Attack Assassin, thanks for the follow. Thanks for the lemons. Truce done it, man. Nice one, Gar. Nice gift, dude. Okay. What's up, YouTube? Good to see y'all. Mike Smith, Mr. Punk, Angel. Yes, that's right. Roll Tide. What's up, JBS? Mr. Cantomo, Zipper, Ans. Bob Fields. How you doing, man? Jeremy S., the Ravencoin Jesus man. Keenan Ray, hello. Hey, Walter Maxwell. Peter Pan Morgan. Julia, welcome. Vet Bro. Good. Hey, Dan Clifford. Good afternoon to you, where I'm at. Dude, Claudio, man, thanks for the one diamond, dude. Much freaking love, man. Really appreciate that. Means a lot, okay? Y'all are awesome. So, Babandy, another stop loss hunt? No, it looks like we're breaking out bearishly and confirming it with the strongest form of it, right? What's up, Eklund? Do C. What's up, Dreaded Trader? Frank Sinatra. Adrian A. Welcome, man. Beats listening to the wife. Dude, if I read that wrong, I was like listening to... Yeah, anyway, so... Very cool, Dan Clifford, man. Yeah, your brother's at the Augusta National following the Masters. Yeah, well, it's a long drive, dude, from where I'm at. But yeah, it's relatively close, I guess. Yeah, Augusta. Beautiful. That's right, Vet Bro. A break and go can happen on the upside, too. You can break, resistance. You can back test it as support and then bullishly engulf, and that's your break and go on the upside, okay? Yes, works both ways. Bradford, let's let Brian know about that, make a clip, and we'll post it for the patrons. Okay. What's up, Zed Zerp? Surf fishing Fort Morgan, Alabama. Hello. Kibu. I'm not saying what I think Bitcoin's going to do. Do I think Bitcoin's going to go to 4,400? It is not out of the realm of possibility at all. Based on the measurement of the size of the consolidation that we saw after the impulse, it would not be weird at all. And we also know on the daily from the December 15th low to our new high, that is inside the golden zone. So it would be not weird at all if we decided to go to 4,400. Nothing wrong with that. Okay? What's up, Juan Aeon? Okay. Never going below 5K again? Yeah, right. Famous last words. Okay. Thanks, Daring Noreen. Welcome, man. Good old smooth babyface Feckless. That's me, man. That's me. Thanks, Francisco, dude. Yeah, that. Oh, my God. Dude, DLive is not as lit nearly as it was yesterday. Thanks for the 30 people over there. I don't know, man. It's just the honeymoon period for DLive, I guess, is one day, right? So, only a limited amount of people out there that are probably going to stick with DLive. All right, so that's Bitcoin Connect. Let's go to Ethereum Connect. We just did a static video on this, all right, so I don't know what the fuss is going to be about here. Hold on. Whoa, what is that? What is that? Dude. Just some random thing. Get this out of here. Dude, now there's just this random thing here. Go figure, man. Does anyone know what this is? Do you see this crap? Like, what is this? It's just a random bar, a gray bar. There's nothing there. Hold on. I'm about to just F5 this crap, man. Dude. Never ceases to, I don't know, find a different way to be really weird, okay? Everything on the internet, just weird. Oh my god. Oh my god. Probst. If Probst is here, someone send out a Raven. We're at 58. Probst loves it, man. Oh my god. I can't believe it, dude. We did it. We freaking did it. 59 is going to be better, but that's a ways away. All right. Sweet, man. Probst alert. Okay, I'm going to hit F5 here because I don't know what to do. I've never seen this in my life, and there's no way to get rid of it. Please don't be there. Like... Okay, it's gone. It's gone with a reload. Wow. Talk about crap out. Anyway, let's go to Ethereum. Sorry, I didn't mean to touch something that I didn't even touch. Good God. Okay, here we are. Did a video on it. Check it out. Dude, oh my God, Rob R, man. Let's play it. Dude, thanks so much for the Ninja Guinea contribution. Oh my god. That's 1,000 Linos. Thank you, dude. Really appreciate that. Is this real? What's up, Mr. Digger? Holy crap, man. Thanks, Rob R, man. Kangs. Jeez. So, what was the story with Ethereum? If we're just going to talk about it, because you don't want to watch the static video, I get it, I understand, but... dude, we'll get the message across either way. So, how many coinciding variables? More coinciding variables than you could absolutely imagine, okay? It's like, so you got the butterfly. You had the rising wedge on the tail end of the butterfly at critical, upsloping, and horizontal line daily resistance. You had bearish divergence on the MACD. You had bearish divergence on the RSI. You had daily bearish divergence. And you had receding volume. Eight coinciding variables here, right there at the 3618 fib extension from B to C. You can't make it up, man. You can't even make it up. First target's already been hit. Let's see if Bitcoin decides it wants to break hook and go for real, and we sell off a little bit more. Man, that'll make me real happy about Ethereum, because then I know that we're going down to 152 and then 139 after that, possibly. All right, but then it's really cool. You got Jeremy S. and really cool idea. I like it, honestly do, and it could be real. Where the profit taking ends, we could be beginning a new type of harmonic, which could be in the works right now. Okay, it could be X, A, B, C, and then D down here. Crazy, man. Thanks, Rendigo, man. Appreciate it. Well, it might have been my vision, but Shaylin made it happen, dude. So thanks, man. Kings. All right. Kings indeed. All right, so on the tail end of the profit-taking area for this butterfly. No, I'm sorry, this is not a butterfly. Why do I keep saying butterfly? It's a crab pattern. My bad. It is a crab. It is not a butterfly. Brubs, man. Oh, my God, man. Let's connect.
I was summoned via Russian Morse code that we have reached the golden sub count. Congrats. Dude. Also, no more subs. Or else. Serbia. 4. Life. BRRRR.
Dude, just when you thought it was the golden zone, the golden sub count, it became the platinum. The platinum Bitcoin to Jesus sub count. Wow. In a matter of seconds. I guess we didn't see that coming, did we? We didn't really know how crazy it was going to be back to back like that. Dang, dude. Thanks for the 58 repeating, of course. Leroy Jenkins would be proud. Or Leroy Jenkins's teammates or party members or clan. No, guild. his guild would be proud. Holy crap. What's up, Sis C? Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the lemon, Captain Crypto. Oh my god, man. What's up, Anthony Littlewood? Oh, holy crap. When I hit partner, you can make your own. For now, you left click on the ones in chat and you can save them to your album. What you talking about, homie? Make your own what? Make your own lemonade? What's up, Simi Dot, man? Thanks, dude. Thank you all for joining over on D-Lop. It very well could be the future. We're on the... Definitely, like... It's a new world. Certainly is. Oh, Garman, all the gifts. Oh, you can make your own gifts when you become partner. That's insane, dude. That's really cool. What's up, Doc Uploads? Thanks, man. Doc Up. Wow. 65% chance of Bitcoin going down. I think there's probably a higher probability of the retrace starting now with the daily bearish engulfing candle, but anything's possible. But you gotta kind of respect that daily bearish engulfing candle, man, at the golden retrace. That's it. So yeah, there's probably a higher probability, it seems, that we would start retracing to the downside, but we don't have confirmed break hook and go yet because we have not bearishly engulfed, and there's still an hour 23 minutes left on the 4-hour candle and daily. So let's get some confirmation, right? Let's get some Adios turd nuggets on Bitcoin. So what I wanted to share with y'all was really cool. This is Jeremy S.'s idea, and I think it's a wonderful. And this is what we're going for, man. Like, we're not here. I'm not here just to, like, okay, here's your fishing pole, bye, right? No, it's all about, hey, let me help you and teach you what I know, so then you can help me, right? So, like, we can help each other, and we can have mutualism, that symbiotic relationship where you're able to identify things looking at the same chart as me, but you might see it another way, but you now know how to do it like I do it. So, like, this is what Jeremy S. came up with. That's not it. Sorry. There it is, dude. All right. So you got the cipher, and you might potentially have X, A, B, C, and then D down here at $140. $140 is what, dude? $140 is what? That's the 886, man. $139. Harmonicception, dude. Could very well be. Could be, man. But we're working on the crab pattern for now. All right, remember the difference between the crab pattern and the butterfly. It's what, chat? What's the biggest discernibility between the two patterns? I'm gonna let y'all answer, and I won't do any more charting until someone at least answers. Multiple people need to answer this. Okay, give it a shot. All right. What is the major discernible difference between the butterfly and the crab? The major, most discernible difference, okay? God, I hate this song. Hold on. Heard it like a million times. Anyway. What's up, Janika? Welcome. Thanks for being here on D-Lop. Chinese human brain monkeys are the future. Alright, we're going to Google it. 3, 2, 1. Kappa. Alright. Yeah, we're going to look at XRP. Everyone calm down. Alright. Everyone calm down. Wow. Oh, look at hot, Chaz. Yeah, man, put hot on the list. Do I rule out the possibility of the 4-hour candle getting above the 20 moving average? I think it's probably unlikely. The fact that on some decent volume, we sold off, bearishly engulfed, and now we broke out, and now we're back testing, right? So, probably unlikely, but anything's possible, man. All right, you asking me that, I don't want to ever say, yes, 100%, you know, like, not likely. What's up, IVE? Nightbot, that's funny. Because you're not really Nightbot, but you are, I guess. What's up, Crypto Florida, I guess? Hello, Maury. I got rid of the beard, Ivy. Yeah, I sure did. I sure did. Things change, don't they? It's the only thing that stays the same is change. When life gives you lemons, analyze them, ambience. Great words. your first video on DLive data recovery. Awesome, man. Well, it's an honor. Thanks for letting me know, dude. Okay. Very cool. Got like 40 people still like over there. That's awesome. Probes, man. I can't believe it, dude. Yep, VChain. We'll put VChain on the list. Sure, dude. We'll see. Crab is 3. Nope. No, Jeremy. The crab is the... Oh, yeah. That's right. That's right. Okay. That's the... But what makes... You know... So you're saying that's your answer, right? Not crabs. Let me see the answers here. There we go. Jeremy S is right. Jeremy S was definitely correct. The X to A retrace is 78.6% on the butterfly, and then between the 382 and the 618 on the crab. That's the major discernible difference is B, X to A retrace. Very good, Jeremy, man. Very good. Awesome. Probes, that is right. Probes is also correct. We did it, man. Hey, George guy. Thanks, man. Appreciate the kind words. Welcome, dude. Welcome. All right. There you go, man. Working out so far. Let's see if we can get to the next target, 152.84. It will take a minute, but we'll get.
TLRY Lord, when will the incessant, non-stop violent selling stop? Are we screwed?
I mean, didn't we say that there should have been more selling on Tilray? I thought the last time we looked at it, we said that. We were like, dude, there's like no real support until, what, $15? I can't remember exactly, but yeah, we'll look at it. Assuming that was the right one. Sure, dude. Well, dang it, look, man, okay? Okay. Was that the one? Maybe not. When will it stop? Well, I know last time we looked at it, dude, it was like... Remember the gap fills? We have still not even filled a gap at $52 right back from August 2018. Jeez. You gotta be kidding me. Unreal. I know when we looked at this, we discussed this. I know we did. Very ugly, man. Very ugly. Go figure. You're really right at the 1272. We'll look at it in a second. All right. Anyway, XRP continued to dump. Continued dumping. Bitcoin was a sell-off. It's going to keep rolling. All right. Keep rolling the downside. So you're looking for around 31.5 cents as an entry on a potential bullish cipher pattern. All right. That's it. Holy crap, man. Cheers, data recovery. Janika, thanks for the limit. Anthony Littlewood. Both of y'all, thanks for the contributions. Oh, CCC Probes, man. Welcome, dude. Oh, he made it to DLive, dude. Chart Resard. I'm not sure, man. I don't think me going live helps me trade better. But you said the few times you went live, you make... I don't know, dude. There you go, dude. Congrats on that. What's up, Nick Welch? Dude, thanks for the 3 ice creams. Thanks, Chart Resard. Like Charizard, but a Pokemon or something. KNC Ans. That is a coin I've not heard since I was in Atlanta when we pumped. We thought we'd pump, but jeez, dumped. Go figure, right? And that's what we talk about. On the crazy pumps like that, you do have to reevaluate because you're like, okay, we're at like 95 on the 4 hour and we've shot up 70% in like a few hours. Well, might be a good time to take some profit. Throw a lot of stuff out of the window when it does that. Okay. So anyway, XRP, we thought consolidation. It just didn't play out. You stalled too long. Bitcoin was weak, right? Bitcoin just couldn't find demand, really, above 5,300. And we've since sold off. And guess what? XRP rolling with it. But hey, there is, when one door closes, another opens. So another potential setup coming for XRP to USD. So retrace, sell off, whatever. Maybe we form a wedge of some sort. from C to D. But you're like the 1272 area, the 786 area, right around here. Okay. Very, very interesting. From the low to high is the 1272 at 31.274. That's it, man. This is the entry zone for a potential pattern, a potential trade setup. Okay, so keep your alerts on 31.6. Okay, and all right, if we wanted to trade this, all right, we wanted to play this, and what I'll do, maybe see, I want to keep this triangle here, but hypothetically, so from that height to low, where we would potentially bottom. Should be looking at it like this, man, right? Get these old fibs. They worked well for us. 50%, we never got above it, right? Never could break above a 50% retrace after our first couple times hitting it. There you have it. If we ever get to an entry down here, this is how you would fib from the high point to the low point, and then you go 382, 618, 100%, or 886, right? So it would go like 34 cents, and then 35.673 cents, and then 38.365 cents. The good thing I like about these is, like, if you get stopped out or whatever, you go into US dollar, not into Bitcoin, right? So there you go, man. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Oh my God, man. Okay. Yeah, Robar. Look at Nia right after Tilray. All right. Tilray Connect. All right. Yeah. Good man.
Wow, you nailed another cipher. Not literally.
Is that what we're calling it now, dude? Is that what we're calling it nowadays? This is what we say, dude. Oh, it feels so good! Thanks, dude, for the 1212, the Zcash, Dragon Ball Zcash in the jar. Really appreciate that, dude. Kangs, man. Good to see you, as always. Battle Station brother, man. All right. Well. Tilray, just a beautiful pump. Reached an all-time high of $299, $300, right? $300, and then in the same day, you hit a low that same day at $151. Wow, you want to talk about crypto being nuts? Nah, Tilray's nuts, man. So anyway, downsloping structure, you're selling off, you have filled this gap, you filled multiple gaps on the way down, but you still have yet to fill that $52 one, right? I mean, just, this has not filled. Let's go to the daily, my bad, dude. Okay, it looks like you did fill this gap. So there's another gap, and it's down at $44, man. Straight up. So gap fill. Bearish engulfing candle on the daily. Why are my fibs not coming up, dude? Gosh. Hold on. Alright, so we're approaching the 1272 fib extension from your previous low to your previous high. Here it is. Soon to be hitting it. Very oversold on the daily. Negative momentum. Still a lot of it. Tons of it building. But all-time lows today on the RSI currently sitting at, wow, 20. Very oversold. So we don't have any kind of impending price action reversal to the upside stuff going on. Not really, but you are just, anytime you get down to these levels, you could always sometimes get a pop, especially if you're at a fib extension and you fill the gap. All right, so I think Volkowski says about 22% of the time when you fill a gap, there's 22% chance that you will use it as a support. So it's not very strong support, but it is sometimes used. But then you've got that confluent fib extension, 52.89. But again, you really want to be messing with that when nothing really is telling us impending price action. Really, there's no real reversal to the upside. I mean, You just can't break that heart line. You can't break the faster moving averages, and you're using resistance and you're just dumping. Okay, so you might reverse your price action to run back up to 64 bucks to touch the 20-day moving average or something. But dude, that is not like how we swing trade, right? Just because it might do it doesn't mean that once you take a position, because there's no real coinciding variables besides the gap fill in the 1272. There's no bullish divergence on the MACD or the RSI. The only thing you got going for you is you're extremely oversold. That's it. Okay, so when will the selling stop? It could stop here for a brief moment, but I don't think you're probably done. You're probably going to come down to try to fill the gap at, again, $44. $44 gap fill. One more left. One more, dude. No more after that. Then you got like just a support at 34.13. Yeah, dude. So, I mean, you know, whatever, dude. That's it. I wish there was a pattern. It's like you had a falling wedge maybe or something, but every time you try to plot it, it just scrubs out and you keep selling off. So, whatever. Okay? Okay. Give me a sec. So about Vibe Akimbo, thanks so much for joining on D Live. Thank you, dude. Good night, Sweet Prince. Not good, man. Not really what you're looking for right now at all. On NeoConnect. This is for Rob R. Thanks again for the Ninja Genie, man. On D-Live. Dude, I have no idea dude, I didn't know Lino existed, Chart Wizard, until literally yesterday. No idea. Okay. So anyway, here's your Neo. High to low. You hit a 62% retrace and a 50% retrace, right? So both targets were hit, you know, reasonable profit taking levels in a short term time frame, right? Just the high to low of the structure you broke out of. These are always normal targets, 50%, 618. That's a golden zone, right? 382 to 618. Price action reversal. Where? Price action reversal at the golden retrace, the top of the golden zone. Wow. Wow, like Bitcoin. So, bearish engulfing candle manifested into a nice little move to the downside. You've broken this upsloping support, it seems. And I hate to say it, but you're starting to fall below the 200-day moving average. So unless you get some sort of Bitcoin rally in the next hour, you very well could be closing below it, which is extremely bad. You don't want to ever fall below all three moving averages in a period of 3 days. That's not good. Negative momentum, high spike in negative momentum we've seen since late November 2018, and we have not seen the RSI this low since December 22nd. And there's plenty of room to run to the downside if you wanted to, right? Blah. Gross, man. Okay. Rule of three, 1, 2, 3, wrecked. All right, dude. So it seems as though the short term was respected for Neo, at least, because we know there's so much more to it, right? But, you know, if you're just looking at one structure breakout, you hit just the golden zone of that structure's height before selling off. Wow. We'll get. That's it, Rob. Thanks, man. Yeah, I don't know anything about the whole Lino situation. Okay, dude. Thanks for the 50 people on D-Live, and thanks for the 283 people on YouTube. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. It really helps the channel out, growth and exposure. So get a like spike, baby. Let's get 100 likes, throw the fireworks up, okay? What's up, Chase Kane? Well, rewind the stream, check it out, beginning of it. All right, Julia, have a good one. What's up, Deucey? Konnichiwa. Mr. Gordeski, hello, man. Graham Dougherty, welcome. Well, yeah, well, it's below the 50 moving average. Simple moving average. Graham. Hello, Stygian Man. Welcome, dude. What do I think about Ethereum? Ratish, hey, I did a static video and a full analysis on Ethereum early in the stream, but the static video was done today. So it's posted, it's published. Check it out on my channel. And hit the sub button if you're not a sub, okay? And remember, tonight, just again, a reiteration, it needs to be promoted. Tonight is Jeopardy night, the third Jeopardy, and there's raised stakes where you can win 16,180 Mitch Ray TA coins. So check it out if you want to win the grand prize and be the king. If you think you know technical analysis, you think you know crypto culture, you think you know miscellaneous trivia, be here. Be here at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock Eastern, 10 Central, all right? Tonight, man, do it. Mr. Cantoma is the reigning champion. Scored more points than anyone in the history of the show last week or 2 weeks ago. Okay, Kings. How do you find me on DLive? When you search Mitch Ray, nothing comes up. I don't know. Mitch Ray TA. It's dlive.com/Mitch Ray TA, Graham. So just type that in. I don't think it has enough data to be performing a bull flag. If we just started selling off, we have no idea, Eklund. No idea. What are the odds? I don't know, man. It's speculative. I mean, dude, we talked about the total market cap analysis, right? That static video I did about how we could go range bound for 6 to 8 months. Hitting a top here, 5,800 to 6,000, or wherever. I mean, really, the total market cap, a bunch of numbers I can't really like say, okay, it was just all the assets combined hit that critical resistance and are now selling off. And it makes all the sense in the world that we're selling off because you went so high so fast and that resistance is very strong. And again, you could sell off. We'll see where we bottom out at. Will we make a double bottom? Will we make a higher low, signifying accumulation? Create a range. What's up, Brian Holm? Thanks for the limit and follow, dude. Crazy, man. All the emojis or all the gifs in DLive's awesome, man. Don't be closed-minded. Just give it a shot. If you there it is, CC. That's it, dude. DLive.com/Kangs. Here, I'll just post it for real. If y'all just want to check it out. There it is. Too bad you can't tip in Mitch Ray TA Coin Chronicles, Chadwick. Yeah, dude. Too bad, man. Hello up, BitGold555. Thanks for being here, man. Appreciate it. All right. Like me some DLive.tv, okay? Coach K, Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. Welcome, man. Welcome. Rob, are you scared? Is Mr. Damon scared of Neo breaking upslipping support? Not good, man. Not good. Remember, I know the US dollar tether, we were looking for a little bit higher high for the what was it? I think the butterfly. No, it was the crab. Maybe, yeah, the crab. Okay. Anyway, let's look at hot. It's next on the list. Just barely holding on, man. Holding on to that. See, it actually went down to 23 sats. That's not good. Scary stuff, man, down there. But the bullish divergence is holding true. Definitely holding true. Just got to remain patient. I mean, there's always the offshoot chance we could run down to 21 sats, touch that 200-day moving average. You don't want to see that because you're already forming extremely nice bullish divergence on the MACD. Your volume's receding like crazy, dude. Every single time you make a lower low, you're making lower levels of volume. That's insanely good. That's what we're looking for. All right. Dave Range, is that true? Elon Musk just made history. 3 of 3 boosters recovered. Oh my god, we did it, man. What's up, Crypto Ninja, man? Well, Crypto Ninja, not really my call, but I'm just telling how it is. Bitcoin is break, hook, and going. Trying to confirm a break, hook, and go anyway on the 4-hour, which is bearish. That's it, man. Just rewind. Well, I don't even know if you can rewind the stream, but if you can, The beginning of the show is my deep, in-depth analysis or whatever of Bitcoin. Okay. Go to cryptocurrencies and there I am. Couldn't find him for a couple minutes too. That's so weird. Well, Lord Ray definitely shouldn't work, but Mitch Ray should definitely pop up, man. That makes no sense. Why you type in my name and I don't appear. Yeah, dude, that sucks. Well, all I need to probably do is get more followers. Even if you type in Mitch Ray TA, it don't pop up. That doesn't make any sense, dude. Wow. Anyone get that at all? Talk about marketing fail. 3 more likes till fireworks zipper. Oh my god, dude, let's do it, man. Let's do it. Okay, there you go. That's hot. Nothing's changed except starting to get a little scary. Trying to fall below that really, really critical area. You don't want to fall below that, man. It's bad.
V-Chain doing things.
Let's go to V-Chain, man. Sure, just selling off. Yep, you've now back tested the triangle. You actually never back tested it. You broke it, came back, and never touched it, and ran again. But now here you are. Got as low as 124 sats from the measured move. This is what we're talking. This is like perfect trade setup stuff. We didn't get screwed, and it kept going higher. No, as soon as it hit our target, you had a few days. You had like a week to get out to exit your position before the sell-off. Hey, Robin Nelson, man, thanks for the 400. Whoa. The 400 bits on Twitch, man. Kings, dude. Appreciate it. What's up, Bad Hombre? CWG, dude, he made it. He made it. To D Live. Hello, Rebel Arkin. Hey, Big Gold, thanks for the follow, man. It's crazy how we can get all this active. Dude, oh my god, Rob R, man. No freaking way. Thanks so much, Rob R, for the second Ninja Guinea. 2 Ninja Guineas in one stream. Never been done before. Holy crap, dude. Thank you so much for all the Ninja Guineas. Uber Kangage. Dude, Probes, what? Probes tipped, I don't know where I didn't see him tip. What the heck, dude? Dude, did you tipped a Ninja Guinea as well? Probes tipped a Ninja Guinea? I didn't even see that. Where was that? Dude, that's awesome. The Ninja Guinea acts like Super Chat over there, so it stays up. Oh, that is cool, man. That is really cool. Love it, dude. Probes, man! Dude, Probes coming in with another Ninja Guinea, man. Thank you so much for the Ninja Guineas, man. I feel like I'm flying. I feel like, what's his name? Star guy. You know, the Tesla driver in space. That's what I feel. Hey, Mr. Piss Myself, thanks so much for the 1 diamond, dude. Holy crap. I can't believe this, dude. We're going places, baby. We're going places. So, V-Chain, man, not good. Not really what you're looking for. So, okay, Chart Razard, you're saying this is stupid. A crypto trader who doesn't understand he's on a scam platform. What a joke. Wow, dude. And you're on a trader's stream talking crap about the streamer. Wow. Very productive. Kind of a weird watch YouTube fade away in real time. You keep a foot in both worlds for now. CWG. Yeah, it's just different, man. It's different. Okay. Star Guy. Is that it, Ballfield? Okay, Star Guy. Yeah, that's me, dude. Right now. So, I don't know, man. Not what you were looking for. You never made it to the retrace, the golden zone. You never made it to 167 like we thought we might have. I mean, we went to 158, so we were like 9 sats off hitting it, but sometimes you don't always get there, but it may not be over. You just have to make sure you make a higher low than the March 5th low of 109, and everything will be fine. You'll still keep showing accumulation, because that's what that signifies. All right, so just back testing now. We'll see if we can hold support here. It might have been a good re-entry for potentially a move to the upside to hit that 382. Lower risk anyway. Okay. That's it. Yeah, it's like, I don't know. Like, I'm just streaming on multiple platforms. Like, what's wrong with me doing that? It's crazy, dude. I don't know. He didn't start getting mad until people started tipping me ninja guineas. But hey, we all know what happens to people when I start getting tipped. People start getting triggered, dude. People get really mad when people tip me. It's crazy. It's insane. People hate it, okay? Hold on. Anyway. Next one. It's crazy, man. Okay, KNC Connect. Not over yet, but there's a lot of time to go by, right? KNC, right? Remember, we looked at it like this. It was a falling wedge after breaking out of a crazy downsloping structure it had been in since late April 2018. Then the falling wedge, we broke the falling wedge, and as soon as we back tested, right? We back tested the trend line that was once a resistance as support, and then we went. I wonder if we got a break we can go on the 4 hour. Can't remember. I don't think so. No, we actually fell below it. See, when we got back, though. No break and go. Not really. No. So, anyway, the way we had it when we broke down, we went from the high to low. And we eventually got back, really, pretty much almost hit the golden zone twice, right on the retrace. But then just dumped again, right? Sold off. So the fibs did help. The retrace happened. It was pretty common where we went and then selling again. It's not really great, man, right? Not really good at all. But we'll say on the 4 hour, high or low, lower low, even lower low with positive momentum. But dude, this is bad price action. Dude, probes, man. Another ninja guinea, dude. Are you kidding me, probes, man? Can you believe it, man? How many? That's 3 ninja guineas today for probes and Rob R with 2 ninja guineas. And then XRP pissed himself with 110 Linos or something. Or lemons. No. 110 ice creams or 1 diamond and 1 ice cream. Rob R, man. Oh my god, we got a ninja guinea war going on over there. Rob R just tipped another ninja guinea, man. He just took the lead by 1 lemon. 1 lemon, dude. I can't believe this, man. We've never had a tip war, but this is the second day I've ever streamed on D-Live. Holy crap, man. What's up, Stitchy, man? Drinking a beer? Yeah, I'll have a beer tonight, probably, for Jeopardy if I'm hosting it, man. I mean, I worked my butt off. I worked for like 2 hours today on Jeopardy. Dude, Jeopardy, putting it together is... Especially when it's like, hey, yeah, like you don't want to like rehash the same questions for the next week, but it's like, you know, it's a lot of work because you just realize like, hey, I want to make sure the content's all mine. I'm going to post like my version, my examples of the patterns and stuff and all that. And then you got to think about S coins and then memes and culture. It's just a lot of stuff to make Jeopardy happen. Okay. Work every time. That's why it's every 2 weeks. Ninja Guinea War Connect. What's up, Jonathan Kang, man? That's right, Bob Field, dude. Bob Field, you were the Kang yesterday, man, remember? Day 1. So pattern-wise, I don't know if there's a real pattern developed. There's no pattern here. Do you see one? Really? I mean, you, like, X to A, you didn't retrace near enough to match that. No way. No harmonic. Just selling off. I mean, maybe a wedge, right? Just, like, connecting trend lines. Okay. But what about, like, here? You know? Like, is that it, dude? Is that it? Maybe it's a wedge. Maybe we break the upside, but good luck, dude. Have fun. It's not enough to me. Holy crap! We just received our first Ninjet in the history of this show. 10,000 Linos. Holy crap, dude. Probes, man. 13,000 Linos. Or lemons. Holy crap. Thanks so much, man, for the ninja probes. Jeez. It's getting lit up here on D-Live, man. Lit, baby. Thanks to Millen. Playing Connecty Connect. There it is. That's it, dude. Trend extender. What are these gifts, man? Dude, D-Live's fun. It's a lot of fun, okay? It like lets the actual viewer engage 10 times better with me. Like, you can do a stupid... Look, Wonderful Breaks. You see that little smiley face, the sunglasses in the car? That's cool. But, like, what do you want me to do with that? It's like, okay, dude. And then over here, they're, like, showing, like, all kinds of gifts. That's crazy, man. Thanks to the Ninjet. Rawbar, I don't know if Rawbar wants to mess with that. That's a huge... That's huge, man. What's up, DAC, Digital Asset Conductor, Choo Choo. Did I do Tron Connect today? No, I've not done Tron Connect today. Real quick, though. So you got the 4 hour potential wedge. I mean, okay, great. Bullish divergence was occurring. And it still didn't really play out. We still made lower lows. But then all of a sudden you showed that RSI, bullish divergence. All right, on the, right here, 4 hour. See like this low and then this lower low. And then we popped, but we still just can't break above the 50 moving average. You rejected it now. Since we hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 rejections. That sucks, dude. So we could be selling off. We just got a 4 hour death cross a few days ago. That's bad. And then the daily. I mean, I guess you still see it there, but you're bouncing off the 200-day moving average. It might be a valid just move, but look at this, man. This is terrible. Bearish convergence so bad. On both oscillators, lows on price, lower lows on price, with higher levels of negative momentum and lower levels of relative strength. That's bad on the daily. Terrible. Largest spike of negative momentum we had seen since November 19th, 2018. Jeez. Probes had to get the jet first. Dude, of course, a Soviet talking about an arms race over on D-Live. Are you kidding me, Probes, man? Well, I talked to Guskuski about this, man. Oh my God. Rob R, man, coming in and just took the lead, dude. Another ninjet has just occurred. Dude, so much craziness going on D-Live right now. And then Rob R coming in right behind with 2 ninja guineas, dude. It's party time, baby. Dude, people on YouTube are like, what the is going on right now, dude? That's so cool, man. That's so cool, dude. Freaking love D-Live, dude. I'm sorry. I love it. And you can't get mad at me for liking something new. Okay? Keep your mind open and be kings. Be kings. All right. Death Cross is bad. Yes, Jay. It is bad. Okay? But it's a lagging indicator, though, so you must take it with a grain of salt and make sure you are analyzing the death cross or the golden cross with discretion, right? Because it's all dependent on the current situation, chart by chart. Okay, so really, not much. What do you do, man? Well, like this, man. Oh, my God, dude. Oh, my God. Like, that's the only way to look at it. You wouldn't look at it on the daily as anything, but the 4 hour, there might be slight relief or from. Look, you go at the daily. I'm just saying, like short-term like traders and stuff. When you get all the 4 hour divergence, you get the pattern. You just go from the high point to the low point, from where you think the bottom might be, and you look for 50% and 60% retrace, and that's it. It's like a very short-term, small margin trade. Right? You just play like this, right? High, previous high to low. If it was the low. You just look at it like this, man. From the move, right? You're looking for 61.89 and 64.88. So 50%. Oh, Godzooks made it, man. What's up, dude? Glad you made it, dude. Okay, so that's how you would play a wedge like this, but we just don't know, man. We just don't know. What's up, CD Borrego, man? Welcome, dude. Shut up and take my lemons. Mr. Sophos, thanks, man. Thanks, dude. Dude, pop a nice shell. Just give it a shot, man. Just see if you like it, right? It's cool. You got like 56 people over there watching. So around 300 over here on YouTube. And however many on Twitch. I don't even know anymore. I think people all quit Twitch. Hey, dude, just Robert Kirk, man. Remember, you can tip me BAT. I don't have to do it that way. You can tip me BAT on Streamlabs. Just go to Streamlabs, the tip spot, and look at BAT. People tip me in BAT all the time, and you get recognition for it because it pops up on the stream, and that's even cooler, I think. Okay. God, it is pretty fun, man. It is. This is so awesome, man. This is so cool. All right, so anyway, KNC Connect, just talking a little bit about potentially what could happen. You wouldn't be expecting higher highs or a crazy move to the upside, just based on that daily the daily oscillators look miserable, man. And there's still plenty of time to sell off. Okay, what is a Ninja Guinea? It is a Ninja Guinea is 1,000 Linos. I think 100 Linos is $1 and something.
DLive is cool, but you have to stay on the app to watch. They need to change that. Can we look at Forever Chinese XRP/BTC?
Sure, man. Sure, dude. Hey, we take our wins, we take our L's, right? There's no playback after either. But I don't understand, man. What were you saying about you have to be on the app to watch? Wait, hold on. Are you saying, okay, you can't watch like on the Safari or browser app or something? Is that what do you mean? Yeah, dude, bad, real bad. Okay, terrible. Bearish, the bullish divergence crapped out, didn't work. Okay, you got oversold again. Yeah, man, this is real bad. So you should expect an invalid pattern. You're falling down to levels that you haven't seen since October, and this really is an invalid pattern in my opinion. You've gone way too deep, way too deep. You made a 98% retrace, so you can consider this trade dead. You're below the support that you were supposed to hold, that you tried to hold. So, I mean, maybe we break the upside, but hey, man, at this point, that's very bad, man. We gave it a shot at multiple different fib nodes, man, over and over and over. We took our losses, and we say, hey, it doesn't always play out, okay? It was perfect. It was a perfect setup, just like the Gartley was a perfect setup. This was actually much more significant. So, yeah, man. Crapped out, and currently it's at the right around the 1414 fib extension, around 62.68 is where the wick happened, and now you're back up, but you're below the entry, right? You're below really the breaking tipping point. Not good, man. Yeah, XRP Forever Chinese, man. Remember, let's look at the fibs so we can identify what the next fib zone is, or fib node, the 786 right here. It's 5,492. Down here, all right? We hit the bottom of the channel, right? You see our channel going? Right there, man, again. So, very bad, unfortunate situation for XRP, but you can't win them all, all right? That's why you take low risk, high reward opportunities over and over and over, and the ones that fail, hey, you lose a little bit, but when they do play out in your favor, you win a lot, all right? So that's it. You can only broadcast live and then it's gone? No, mine show replays. There are replays on DLive. You can watch me afterwards. I don't know, dude. Jeez. My music over or something, dude? Yeah. Awesome. Thanks for the 120 likes. Thanks for the 260 people tuned in on YouTube right now. And the 60 people tuned in on DLive. Y'all are amazing. Holy crap. I don't have financial advice, app, and you can see that in every description of my live streams that it's not financial advice. Okay, so yeah, 45 minutes till the daily close. Really 40 minutes now till the daily close. That's right. So yeah, we can. We've been live for an hour, so let's go to Bitcoin. Sucks, man. Just like, what are you gonna do? Just keep selling off. Here's your 4-hour chart. Here is the potential wedge or triangle. Either way, you're breaking out. You broke out bearishly, and now you're back testing there. There was once support as resistance, and you have 40 minutes to know if we will bearishly engulf here, or not. Okay. And we never got that positive momentum we were looking for, but it was actually worse. We made the slightly higher high than our previous high, and we had negative momentum. That's like class A plus bearish divergence. Very bad. Very, very bad. Okay. Yep, sucks, man. It does suck. Jeez. Gotta close below 50-50. Well, we've been doing that. Yeah, you gotta close below. Yeah, I guess so. For me, it's looking like closing below 50.37 would give the bearish engulfing candle. So, what's up, Sind Ramir? Welcome to D Live, Kings. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe it. What's up, Troy Rosenberg? Roll Tub, man. Guard the Legend, welcome. Thanks for following on Twitch. Welcome, dude. Welcome. Twitch has been just getting neglected because of D Live and YouTube, right? Okay. I don't even know about KNC. That's not really a good one because the daily isn't that good, alright? So. Alright. Uh-oh. So you broke out. Whoa. You broke out of the channel, right? You broke it. You are now falling below what? The extremely important support that was once resistance back from June, the 100% retrace, June 5th, 2018. You're below it now. And I know there are candle closes up there and stuff, but man, you do not want to fall below 1750 and hold below it very long. Otherwise, you'll be seeing, most likely very soon, $15. Think so, 404, man. Appreciate it, dude. Glad, hey, man, if you're getting something out of it, that's awesome, dude. Very cool. Who's saying that they're a TA expert, Node man? Are you a TA expert? Where's your stream, man? We'll check you out, man. What's up, Robin Nelson, man? Thanks for the 200 biddies, man, on Twitch. Much love. Okay, so again, we thought the 1272 would be the target, and it still very well could be, because you are just doing extremely well. It's been such a nice move. The bottom's December 8th. And since December 8th, man, you've been kings. You broke out of that rising wedge bullishly. Then you golden crossed on the 4th of March. And, you know, you've increased over 300% since the beginning of 2019. Well over 300%. Beautiful. Okay. So don't fall below, again, 1740, 1750. Be very bad. Okay? Hello, crap, dude. Hold on. Let's see. How do I do this? Where is it, man? Here we go. And there it is. Mods. There you go, dude. We'll do this too. There you go, Bob, man. You're also a mod. Welcome, dude. Congrats. All right. Bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. A high on price. A much higher high on price. Much lower levels of positive momentum. Lower levels of relative strength. Class A plus, or just Class A. Bearish divergence. Not good, man. Now here we are, falling out of the channel with the divergence. Largest spike of negative momentum we've seen since November of 2018, before the run even began. Wow. No good, dude. All right. You're just now reading something on this chat that you wrote like 10 minutes ago. You're lagging behind. Are you, dude? Is that true? It's bugging out for you. You had to go back to YouTube. I wonder what's bugging out, dude. That's weird. Are we getting any kind of weird... Well, we already looked at hot. We've already analyzed hot. Okay. But are we getting any kind of screen messes up? You know, screen messing up, like it's like melting and stuff like that. Is that happening today? I changed up settings again. I keep experimenting until we see some sort of change. Okay. Weird, man. Anyway, got a lot of lurkers out there, don't we? Today. What's up, Puddin'? Welcome. Thanks for the follow on DLive. What are we at now? Colin Emery, thanks for the follow. I think we're at we got 176 followers on DLive. We need 200 to apply for partner, or it's like in our best interest to have 200 before we apply for partner. So maybe we can get there today. Maybe we can get to 200 and I can apply and become that, and then I can start posting videos on DLive, and then I can create my own GIFs and put them on DLive and all that stuff. So see if we can push forward over on DLive. All right, Kings. Thanks, Colin, man. No melting yet. That's awesome. That's really good news. You saw it once an hour ago. Gosh dang it, man. Gosh dang it, dude. Simple-minded has not seen melting. Good. Did not see something go bad on screen or sound. Awesome. That's great news. Great news. Thanks for letting me know. Y'all are out there right now, okay? And XRP is, or TRX completely sold off. Got as low as 2.564 cents near entry. Wow, very close to entry. Just couldn't break that resistance, man. From January 28th, 26th. Today is so good, we did not even notice. You just followed on DLive? Well, if your name's Ans, I didn't see it. But I like this song. Yeah, bearish engulfing candle on EOS, but still holding above the 20-day moving average. But we did say you were showing a little bit of divergence. High, slightly higher high, lower levels of positive momentum, lower levels of real strength. Not good. Yep, bearishly engulfing, bouncing off the 20-day moving average, 10,200 or so. Okay. Not really what you're looking for, especially when you're trying to break an overhead resistance, which is the 382, 10,784. All right, we thought we got it yesterday. We waked up, rejected prices higher, and just sold off. All right. So yeah, very well could sell off again. And the way we're looking here and here, from this high to this high, bearish. And then here, bearish, right? In the short term, high, higher high, bearish. More midterm, high, higher high, bearish, right? Not looking good there. So it could pull back and may not ever see the 50%, at least for a while. Okay. Ida, we actually did an analysis of Bitcoin at the beginning of the show, I think just a minute ago. 4,400 is the measured move of the triangle that we've broken out of, or the wedge, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. The consolidation structure that we broke out of bearishly, measured move is 4,400. So if we're to make the measured move, then you could expect that. One could expect that. But we might not do that. It's all about probability. It could happen or couldn't happen. Daily showing a bearish engulfing candle, which is not good. It's at the 618, the top of the golden zone, hit the golden retrace, and we haven't seen prices above that, not candle closes on the daily. All right. I've been studying the arts of technical analysis for about, or a little over 7 years, Mr. Delta on DLive. Frozen on DLive? Really? Well, thanks, Robbie Nelson. Harry T, thanks for the follow. Amazing. Very cool. What's up, Jolly Illy? Long time no see. Remember, again, gotta do it again. This is how we do it, man. Like, it just has to be promoted. Oh, tonight is Jeopardy. If you think you know technical analysis, if you think you know memes in the crypto space, if you think you know crypto projects, you can try your luck tonight. The winner will get 16,180 Mitch TA coins, okay? Be transferred to your Waves wallet as soon as you win. Whoever that is that does win, okay? I don't know if Mr. Canatoma's going to be back. He's the reigning champ so far and has scored more points than anyone in the history of the show. So we'll see how it goes, dude. Jeopardy tonight. Be prepared. It's also Patreon night. So 30 minutes, we pregame 30 minutes before the stream if you're a patron. Remember that. Come into live voice chat and we hang out for like 30 minutes, okay? Kangs. All right. You know, it would have been better if I like did like this while I promoted it, but I didn't, okay? Sure thing, Ida. Still reviewing the videos. Can't keep up, dude. Cap up. Caesar077. Thanks, dude. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate that. Ans. Is it true that another Bitcoin boom is coming? No indication to believe that right now. No. What's up, Fu Man? Thanks for the follow. What are we at now, D-Lab? Okay, 178 followers now. All right, we're getting there, man. We're getting closer and closer to that 200 mark that we have to have for partner. Can we play Jeopardy on leverage? Only when it's the final Jeopardy and only when it's the daily double. It's the only time you can play Jeopardy on leverage. All right, AP. Hey, Nick Welch, man, thanks for the 1 diamond over there. Thanks for the 70 people tuned in on D-Live. Zen Bunny, thanks for the follow. And Fu Man, thanks for the ice cream, man. Kangs, dude. Very cool. So EOS, man, not looking too hot, right, on the daily. Not looking great at all. Okay. Looks like a pullback could be possible. But, hey, man, like, you can't say we haven't had a real good time past 2 months, 2.5 months. It's been awesome, all right? It's been great. Guy Gamer, thanks for the follow on D-Live. I know there's a way, I saw someone, there's a way to set up Streamlabs that you can actually get notifications when someone follows. I've seen it. I saw a streamer. Very bad, man. Very rough stuff, man. A couple false breakouts on Tron. Couldn't find demand, couldn't get above the 50-day moving average. Look how we used it as resistance a multitude of times before selling off again, and here we are, right back at it. This is the lowest lows we've seen since January 1st, 2019, right? Had some sort of support, a little bit, a little chop. Not much, but from your low point to high point, we've retraced 62% of the way. All right, that is the golden retrace for any kind of selling, right? You run up, you have an impulse, and you retrace 62% of the way. Again, remember, that is the bottom of the golden zone, and that is the golden retrace. Okay, so very little negative momentum going on down here. Formal structure, formal pattern. I don't really see an actual pattern going on right now. Okay. But I do see that there's not much going on the oscillators, right? You got a low here, you ran up, and now you're making the same low, if not a lower low, and you have no negative momentum on the daily. So that could signify at the 618 and the 200-day moving average that we could break to the upside. The RSI is still, you're showing the same low that you did before, but you're making higher levels of relative strength. That's also good, man. That's class B bullish divergence, all right? So not bad. Not bad at all on Tron Connect. Just got to hate that we can't find the buying pressure to break us back above both those critical shorter or the faster simple moving averages. Again, the 20 and the 50, the 20 being yellow and the pink magenta being the 50. All right, you got to get above those, but we're using them as resistance, which is always bad. Okay, jeez, man. There you go, Jose, man. What's up, Katsumi? Thanks for the follow on D-Live. Wiley, Nuno Furtado, welcome. Thanks for the follow. Puddin, thanks for the 1 ice cream, dude. Safe Harbor, thanks for the lemon and the follow. Holy crap. We're getting there, man. We're getting there. We're going to be Kangs on D-Live. All right. What are we at now? High energy. That's right, dude. Okay, we need 15 more follows, and then it will be game time. Okay. Game time for partner. I'll be able to apply when I get off stream. If we can do it, but if not, hey, it's not the end of the world. It'll come in time. Mr. Loduk, thanks for the follow on Twitch, man. Appreciate it. Thanks. Hey, Slappy Dangler, thanks for the follow, man. Thanks, dude. Where's my music, dude?
Is that a joint?
Brave browser won't let you withdraw tokens, ATM only donate. If you join as a content creator, I can set up auto contribution. As the browser goes, it could become a good payment method as more people use it.
Alright, I'll try to work on it when I get done with stream, dude. Just set up Brave browser. I'm making note of it. Okay, dude. Done, son. Done. Alright, we'll make it happen, okay? Thanks. Hakara Magnuson says, thanks for the Ethereum yesterday. Made my best short ever. Congratulations, Hakura, man. That's wonderful, dude. Seriously. That's very cool, dude. It was alright, Guy Gamer. I mean, got the fun stuff, but I don't really know if it's going to go anywhere or anything, but just living one day at a time, man. You know, just focusing on the purpose, and everything else will work out. Okay, so that's it, dude. GXS. And this is the terrible one that got delisted from Binance. Trash can. Okay, so downsloping channel. We broke out of it, right? We broke out, and what did we do from the high, discernible swing high to swing low? 38% retrace before rejecting and falling to lower prices, reversing our price action. Got a daily golden cross on GXS on the 21st of March. Again, momentum is shifted with the breakout. But lower high, selling off. You're bouncing off the 20 or the 50-day moving average. So we'll see if we can hold there. If not, then you're going to be coming down to 1971 to backtest the area that was once a resistance. You're going to use it as support. Okay, so again, we have done everything that you're supposed to, right, on GXS once we broke to the upside, hitting that 382. So there it is, the top, the beginning of the golden zone. You rejected. Remember, Bitcoin hit the 618 and is now selling off. So it can happen at any fib net, the 50%, 382, 618. All right. What's up, 404, man? Thanks for the follow on D-Lob. Thanks. Hey, Bradford, thanks for the lemon, man. Thanks, dude. Hey, you got the axe now, dude. What's up, tech help review, man? Okay. So much data here. Maybe there's another pair that has more data. Oh, there's more data. Oh. This one looks very similar to Bitcoin in a way. Sorry. Not digging that very much. Excuse me, just getting this. Okay. Okay, so you're just wanting to see Zilliqa to the USDT or something? Well, we broke out of downsloping structure, right? But, yeah, it is making a retrace, a common retrace, a 50% retrace. Looks like there's a channel or something going on, right? And something like that. Okay. So, you know, don't fall below 18181 or you're screwed. But if you can maintain prices above that, you should be fine on the way up. But I don't know, man. It just looks like impulse down, up sloping consolidation. That's normally bearish. But I mean, there's not much further. I mean, 20,000 sats. What would be wrong with going down to 12,000 sats again, dude? I don't know, man. It doesn't really look that bullish to me. Ugh. Holy crap, man. What's up, Max B? Welcome, dude. Welcome, man. Oh, yeah, PewDiePie's going live, man. I think Sunday, right? What are we looking at? Zilliqa to the US dollar tether. Crazy, blah. Dang, dude, YouTube chat died, man. YouTube chat is dead. That's crazy, man, that DLive is more active than YouTube chat. Get wrecked, YouTube. So we got about 19 minutes until the daily and 4-hour candle close for Bitcoin and all the other assets around the market. Okay. All right. Here we are. Here we are, dude. Here it was on Ethereum. Remember, talked about it earlier. We're just retracing a little bit after hitting that first target. Remember, 3618 was hit twice, really. 2 wicks and dumped. Rising wedge, bearish divergence on both oscillators. Critical resistance looking left, and upsloping resistance. Just all the resistance in the world. And receding volume on higher prices, just terrible. So the dump, the first target, second target's going to be 152.84, and third target, if you're lucky, 139. And really, at 140 is where Jeremy S said X, A, B, C, and then D down here for a potential, I think, bullish cipher pattern. Holy crap, man. Wow. What's up, Give Live? Thanks for the follow. Really appreciate that. Higher lows on crab. Well, the crab has just begun to play out. It's 4-hour time scale, so there's plenty more time needed. Well, I mean, you'd only be screwing yourself, OGD, because y'all are the only ones not talking, right? DLive chat, I'm just saying, is more active than YouTube right now. But who cares about the higher lows for now, dude? Look, when you hit targets, people take profit. That's why we retrace the upside a little bit. And then we run up however much from a high to low, 38%, 50%, and then sell off again. Right? That's how it works. Hikar, man. So one should have taken a little bit of profit there. Take more profit, most and all profit, okay? You wish it was on Roku? Yeah, that'd be lit, man. One day, man, probes, maybe. One day. That's right, Hank. Volatility is the kryptonite of all cryptos. Or the the crypto night. Wow. I never even thought about it, dude. Wonderful. So it was really Bitcoin. I didn't really have any kind of good explanation about where we'd go because I didn't know if we had enough data. There were mixed signals on the charts, right? The false breakout, and then it could have turned into a wedge, but then it was like we know we'd hit the 618. But the video I did on Ethereum and what we're looking at right now was really the shepherd. It was the one that was telling us where the market was going to go. Ethereum was, yeah, not Bitcoin. Bitcoin, could have done either one, man. It was ascending triangle, could have broken the upside, but it didn't. And so Ethereum, really, really flourishing, helping us. Okay. Should you be bothered by TOS saying that Leno points have no value? I don't. Probably better. I don't know, dude. I really don't know how it works, man. I don't know if it will be worth something one day or not. It's just crazy. Wonderful breaks. We already looked at hot. Hello, Max B. Hi, ASL. Kava. You can only have a limited amount of gifts in your favorites, True Stoner. Well, maybe that'll change one day, right? Maybe one day. Thanks, Wall. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Glad you liked the stream last night. Yeah, we had fun. Good late night stream. Whatever, dude. Enjoyed it thoroughly. It's okay, quality control. It's okay. You now see me. Alright? Oh, thanks, Bradford, man, for the lemon again, dude. Oh my god. Holy crap. Bitcoin is deciding it does not want to bearishly engulf right now. Still holding. But below the 20 and 50 moving average on the 4 hour, it's not good, dude. But you gotta love it on Ethereum. We want the prices to drop for Ethereum. We want the market to... We want Bitcoin to run to 4,400 because then we know that our targets are pretty much insured. It's going to happen 62,886 down here, okay? So, Grey Goose Connect. Yes. Yes, dude. Oh my god. What's up, Zachary, man? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Well, OAX, after that crazy, stupendous run, has not done anything. Who cares about OAX now? Dude, the measure move happened. The trade happened. It's it. It's over. It's literally over on OAX. Who cares? Yeah, it's pumping right now. Oh my god, it's pumping. Not making higher highs than your previous highs. Great that you're getting back above all the 4 hour moving averages. That's great, but whatever. Okay, yep, bouncing on the 50-day moving average. All right, but here was the pump and dump, right? Crazy close in reverse. Somehow, some way, it was it was close to a dark cloud cover. Anyway, right, you had the double bottom. Measure move, the double bottom was at 382, a little bit above it. We hit it, 9,021. Kangs. Down sloping resistance from the height to the low point of the structure. 50% retrace. That is perfect. 50% retrace you sold off. Wow, in the middle of the golden zone. Go figure, right? So now here you are making higher lows than your previous lows, but don't know how we're going to make higher highs than these highs. So maybe we'll pivot. Okay, you definitely got some sort of upsloping support here that I don't even think you tested. All right. Anyway, it's OAX, man. Trade's already played out. Okay. Brain, you're also a joke, so hilarious, man. What's up, loved PvP? Jeez, man. Correct. Open the beer, Stygian, man. Later. We will. We will, dude. We'll have fun. I'll be my goofy, tipsy self when I'm hosting Jeopardy. Okay? Radford, I'll inform all the people at the New York Stock Exchange about how they are wrong. Yeah, dude, really. Anyway. Okay, YouTube. Real good job. Good job on the engagement. Stellar, thanks for the follow. Oh my god, we're getting closer and closer. 189. Dang, dude. 11 away. 11 to go. Is that one right there? Karis SV, thanks for, or Carrie SV, thanks for the follow. I'm waiting for the crazy weird stuff. Okay. Xerox definitely did not decide it wanted to retrace. Alright, so pattern didn't work out, you know. Thought maybe we'd run up a little bit more. But just decided to say, nope, no thanks, man. No thanks. Jeez, absolutely annihilated. Okay, annihilated. Do you see this? The channel busted. Lower high than your previous high. What was that high to low? 61% or 786? We had it before. High to low? Okay. We'll hit the top of the channel, but very close to 786, 83.42. We hit as high as 82.61. All right. Dude, thanks for the ice cream, Deus Ex Machina. Thanks, dude. My God, man. So, wow. Fell below what? The 200. You fell below the 20 and the 50, running away right now. You had some bullish divergence. It really was there. And then just you did retrace, but then dumped, man. You dumped it. It worked out, but lower high. Pathetic, dude. 0x is just doing really, really bad. Let's see if there's any kind of hope for you, though. Yeah, we got a little bit of hope, I guess. Scrubby as F. Yeah, a little bit of downsloping, converging price action. 3 on the bottom, 2 on the top, right? So wedging, definitely wedging. Jeez, man, very bad. No divergence. Terrible, dude. Okay, so I guess you're holding some support right now. Let's fib this the right way, or the way that is relevant to us now. Low to high. Ooh, hitting an 88.6% retrace before bouncing. Huge spike in negative momentum, the highest spike of negative momentum we've seen on a ZRX since November 20th. Very, very bad. And plenty of room to run to the downside. Now you're in bearish territory on the RSI. Awful. Awful. So 4 hour, showing the wedge, but daily is just miserable, man. Miserable. Exaggerate. There you go, Bob. ZRX Connect. Look at Crypto Media. Thanks for the follow. Dude, we need like what? 8 more? 8 more follows for partner? Screen freeze. What are you talking about? Screen freeze, Talal? Put the DLive link below in the info. I thought I did that. I don't think it is default. Yeah. Not default. Okay. Why'd you say whoops? Isn't that right? Or no, there's a dot and it isn't there. CWG. Okay. Awesome. Sun's going down, man. The sun is going down. Oh, I forgot to turn the rain on. Wow. How embarrassing. There's the rain. We'll do some thunderclouds too. There you go. Because the market. All right. Dang, dude. Well, I don't know, man. Doesn't seem like we're probably going to get it since I'm about to log off. There's just no point. It's pretty blah, right? Okay. Let's go back to Bitcoin, finish it up with that, and we'll roll on. So the daily, let's hide this real quick. Daily is bearishly engulfing, right? Big bearish engulfing candle. So the major high seems like it very well could be in. Yeah, and the 23% retrace is 49.31. And then the beginning of the golden zone is at 45.85. The end of the golden zone is at 4,024. All right, so anywhere in between here would make all the sense in the world on the daily to sell off to those points, because look where the moving averages are. You're so far away from them. You're finally on Bitcoin out of overbought territory. You overbought on Bitcoin from April 1st all the way until today, the 11th. So 10, 11 days, man, of overboughtness on one of the most significant time scales. Okay, thanks for the lemons. We did it, man. We freaking did it, dude. All right, 192 followers. We got it, man. Well, Pablo, man, guess what? XRP to BTC, I took the L, didn't I? So, whatever, man. You win some, you lose some. That's it, man. I'm more happy about the Ethereum. That's what I've been, because that's the one that gave me the best signals. That's the market signals, right? Nothing like Ethereum, dude. Emery, thanks for joining on YouTube. Appreciate it. Welcome. Okay, so let me do this little rundown. Hey, Rob R, Probst, Nick Welch. Thank you all. I mean, Rob R, dude, thanks for the however many guineas, or it's really you tipped one Ninjet and then 5 Ninja Guineas, and then Probes was 1 Ninjet with 3 Ninja Guineas. Okay, so it seems like Rob R won. Oh my God, Rob just tipped another Ninja Guinea. Thank you so much, Rob R, man. Gangs. We did it, dude. We did it. Thanks again, Rob, for supporting me on D-Live, man. We don't know what's going to come of it, but it seems like a pretty cool platform, and quite frankly, is more active than YouTube chat. Okay, so appreciate everyone coming out. Get to the Fiat. Robert Kirkman, Kills for a Living, Jules Santana, Ace G, and Probes, dude. Probes, thanks so much, man, for the big contribution. All right, y'all. I'll be back tonight. Remember this one more time. Jeopardy, 11 Eastern. Be here if you think you want to win. You win 16,180 Mitch Ray TA coins. Okay. That's the prize tonight. All right. Hey, Zenobi, I did a static video today, like a 5-minute static video on Ethereum. Check it out, dude. Okay? So be here tonight, or get wrecked. Until then, respect the T. Hey.
I like turtles.
That boy is good.
Adios, turd nuggets.